Here's how you're going to monetize your social media if you are a content creator. First of all, you want to make sure that you have some type of niche. And I know that there's so much hoopla around whether or not you should have a niche, or if you become the niche and blah, 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 blah. Whatever it may be, just decide. Okay, pick one. A lot of people don't realize this about content creators, but you are your product, right? And so if you are your product, you have to think and operate like any other business would. And so if you're a content creator, you want to know who your ideal audience is at all time. Boom, you finally got your ideal audience. You know what type of brands that you want to work with and what type of brand you yourself are trying to build. Now all we have to do is reverse engineer that backwards. So let's say that you are a beauty creator and you're wanting to work with brands like Fenty or Rare Beauty. You want to create content for other versions of you, so past versions of you, things that you used to struggle with before. So if you used to struggle with, how do I blend out a cream contour? Then create that type of content. If you used to wonder, how do people wake up early before they go to work and then do a full face of makeup and then have to go to work? Create content for that person. You're relating to that person because you also went through that. And that's one of the ways that you're helping to build an audience of people who relate to you and who connect with you. From there, you begin tapping into that type of audience who uses those type of products. You're connecting with them. You're relating to them. You're using their products in your videos on a regular basis. You're also emulating the different type of values that those products or those brands connect with. You're tagging them in everything that you're doing. Maybe you're even pitching them in the DM or email. Along the way, as you're emulating the different values for the Fenty brand or the different values for the Rare Beauty brand, you're building this audience of people who want to engage with you, and you're catching the eyes of other brands, of other partnerships that could be great partnerships to work with short term and help build your portfolio of working with these different brands. Okay. Another form of monetizing, especially as a creator, is tapping into your audience, creating some type of digital product or having some type of community that gets exclusive content is really great. Not necessarily OnlyFans, but think Patreon. Another great way to monetize as a beauty creator is having a product. This doesn't mean that you need to come out with your own cosmetic line or anything like that. You can have affiliate links. I'm sure you guys have seen this before when people are like, check out my Amazon storefront, check out my Amazon storefront. Those are great too, but also creating your own products is okay too. You could do things like white labeling, maybe starting off with something simple like tools, maybe things that don't have exact formulations, but are tools like some people do lashes, some people do brushes, things of that nature. Those are just a few ways that you can monetize as a content creator. If you are in the middle of DIYing your social media marketing, but you need a little bit more guidance, I highly recommend the Marketing Collective membership. It is now pre-enrolling, officially launching May 1st. This is going to be the membership for you. It's a no commitment monthly membership for people who are wanting to DIY their social media marketing, but need a little extra help. It's now pre-enrolling. The link is in my bio. And if you want a video like this for you, I suggest you leave a comment in whatever your product or service is, and I will make one of these videos for you. See you in the next one.